Man, I think I want my 2-strand twist back.
Thank you for tuning in. He decided to not continue with the starter locks journey, and he just decided to get a 2-strand twist. And these are the products that I'm using. Just some leave-in conditioner right here. I'm just going to place that on his head. Also, I'm going to mist his hair with some Chi heat protectant to protect his hair, because we're going to do a stretch 2-strand twist. Okay, so once his hair is all blown dried and stretched out, it should be looking something like this. He has 4C hair. So the first thing you want to do is just section off his hair. And then I'm just using some shine and gel to put on his parting. Next, you just want to just get the top part of his head and put it in either a rubber band or some clamps just to get it out the way. And you just gonna split it. I'm doing 3 sections, but you just need a top half and a bottom half, so really just 2 sections. Now you just want to start with the back half of his head, and you just want to section it off. Grab you some shine and gel and put it on the part that you created, and then you just want to start creating box squares like I'm doing right here. And the key to some good 2-strand twist, make sure that the hair is detangled very well. So I'm just using a comb to detangle his hair. And for the parting again, I'm using shine and gel, and then for the hair part, I'm just using some foam. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is braid it about 5 or 6 times, and then once you braid the top, you want to section off the hair into 2 sections so you can start twisting the 2-strand twist like I'm doing right here. And I'll do it a few times on the first row so you can get the concept. And if you liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You are greatly appreciated. So you just want to continue the process until the back of his head is completed. I will stop the video so you can see how it is looking once the back is done. And then I'll show you how to two-strand twist the front of his hair to create the look of hanging two-strand twist in his face, because that was the style that he was going for. So yeah, I'll stop it and let you see how it's looking halfway done, and then we'll just continue the video. So once the back is done, it should look something like this. Very neat and very sectioned off into squares, and then you just want to go to the front of his head and start working on that. And we're just going to section out the hair like we did the back. And you're just going to grab you some shine and gel, and you want to put it on the part. And then you want to create a box square. And like I did the back, I'm going to start off braiding about 4, 5, 6 times. And then after that, I'm going to start two-strand twisting, and I'll be showing you that as well. So if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You just want to work your way to the side of his head and do the same process, and just continue to do the box braiding and then the two-strand twist throughout his head. And that is basically it. So this is the finished look, and y'all have a great, blessed day.